Hey, good morning, YouTube. It has been a hot minute since I've been on. I feel like I always say that, but it's actually been a while. So I had a lot of stuff going on. Can't get into that too much yet. We'll share a ton of information when I can, though. That's going to be very helpful to everybody. So, cannot go into details yet, but I'll be talking more about it on my blog later and doing some video, some helpful information of what I have found out of a lot of things. So, have to be secretive on that for now. So, I'll be talking about that in upcoming videos. I promise, definitely, because it's very, very helpful information if I didn't say that before. So, how are you guys doing? What have you been up to? Let me know. And I also had to redo my blog. So if you go to my blog and you only see like one post from March and then going back to January, that's why too. I had to actually do a full backup. So I'll be talking about that in later videos. But right now I have 10 new work from home jobs. Some of them are new. Some of them, 8 of them are new that I know about. Some of them I have talked about before in my past videos. But they are such wonderful jobs, making $17 to $20 an hour, that I had to, bring it back to the table again. Wanted to go ahead and share with you guys information I have found. Also, on my blog coming up, I will be doing a chart of a lot of work from home jobs that break it down into information about those that will be hiring globally, information about which ones have benefits, which ones don't have benefits, and what those exact benefits are. So that's a work in progress for sure. So to get started, you guys know I don't like to do fluff, so you won't find fluff here. Pearson VUE. They do hire for those that have to take state tests, not just insurance state tests, but all kind of different state tests. And for people that are paying the courses, if they have information about enrollment, things of that nature, that's going to be more so on the sides of what you'll be talking about. And you'll be fully trained by Pearson VUE before you actually get on their phones. So they have paid training. They do have paid nesting time as well. And then their hours are usually about 8 to 5 Eastern time, Monday through Friday. So that's a great thing as well. And then we do have a company called Bozeman Health, BOZEMON, and I'll be doing some links down below. And then I'll also do a full blog post this weekend and get that up on my blog for you guys to be able to find all these jobs together in one spot. And this Bozeman does hire for part-time, and Bozeman is going to be doing government claims and billing. I'm looking to my left. I've got my notes on my spreadsheet, got a little notepad right here, because sometimes when I decide to turn my head, you guys leave. So, keep watching, guys. It's a lot of helpful information for a lot of different people. And so, anyway, we will be going over these in the blog post coming up. I'm going to be working on it today. Car shopping as well. So I have to see what time hubby is awake and ready to go do all of that fun stuff. So yay. And then we do have a company called Patreon. A lot of YouTubers may know what Patreon is already. They have where you can actually donate, or if they have stuff that they want to send to their subscribers that do donate, things like that. They have a full customer support job that's going to be, they do also offer part-time as well. And Patreon, it's a customer support specialist position. I think it might be 9 to 5, but I think they do hire about 5 p.m. if you guys are looking for an evening job. And also I do have a video before about those that are hiring for evening work that I'll try to link up here. Sometimes I do link it just right, sometimes I don't. Still working on all of that. So there's also a company, almost everybody I think knows Progressive Insurance. They also do hire work from home starting at $17 an hour. I will find that link. I do also have a video talking about specifically insurance jobs in whole. as well. I will link up above for you guys too. And that one was healthcare and insurance jobs. And then there's a company, Connect Insurance, speaking of insurance. It is mainly 9 to 5. You're going to be reviewing over customers' bills if they have questions about their policies, and they'll fully train you. And then I think they hire part-time as well. They will also help you get set up for work from home office if you don't already have one in place. They will also help to refund your internet bill as well as one of their perks. So definitely check them out, Connect Insurance. And then Bill Trust, just helping companies. It's a business-to-business type of position for companies that may have customers that don't pay. People pay your bills. And so anyway, for companies that do have clients that don't pay their bills, or at least pay on time, then they do have people that will help collect those bills. So it's not really, your job is not the collections part, it's just more customer support position on that one. Kayme, Kayme, I'll leave the link down below. They do help actually people get into their cars, and they help with locksmith services and also the machines where you have to go and make duplicate copies. Like if you might see it at Lowe's and Home Depot. Walmart, I think, has the machines as well, where you just go make a copy of your key. You can make cute little designs. Hubby got me one that says Minnie Mouse. And so I do like Minnie Mouse. Not sure why he is always getting Minnie Mouse, though. Not like I'm obsessed, because I'm not. I do like it, though. Anyway, Kayme is also going to have part-time position. It is a customer support position. Starts out, I think, about $14 an hour. Allstate is hiring in different states, so they do have some work-at-home positions, I think, mainly because COVID is still around. I'm not sure after COVID if they are going to be having the work-from-home position available still, but they do. And then we do also have a few of my favorite ones that I almost always talk about. It's a sugar-free Red Bull. It does not give you wings. Neither does one, sorry, that is not sugar-free. Because if they did, I'd have wings. No wings. Red Bull, really. So, anyway, Arise and Live Ops and Working Solutions. I need to do a full review of these companies. My hair is a hot mess. I'm needing a haircut again. Definitely be going to see Miss Lindsay on that note soon. But it's also early Saturday morning, so sorry, no makeup. But some people say you need to put makeup on, all that cutesy-poo stuff before you do a YouTube video. Some do, some don't. I probably wouldn't unless my eyes look worse than they do at the moment. Allergy eyes. So anyway, it's the most important part of the YouTube video is the content that I provide, and that's what I fully believe. So that's why I don't always get cutesy-pooed up. So Arise and Live Ops, I will leave their video up above where I did do a full complete review for you guys of each one, but they do hire customer support services, and you're definitely a 1099 there. You'll have to do your own taxes, and Rise does offer tech support. Live Ops does not, or did not offer tech support, although they did have an outside company that offered tech support. And Arise and Live Ops are both customer support positions that you make your own schedule out working from home, and they do not have paid training. Well, let me say this. Arise does not have paid training, although some of them will give a bonus at the end of training. Different clients that you work for will. Live Ops, I don't think does that unless they do have a new incentive in place to do that. Some Live Ops might want to take note. They might want to start doing something like that. And then, let's see, Working Solutions does have the paid training. It's fully supportive if you do have any tech support issues. They have clients like different shoe companies out there. I did that one for a while. They'll also help out with prepaid phone support, customer support when you buy the little prepaid cards for different companies. If you have family members that might be in jail, that do the prepaid phone support there. I know that was one of their clients. I didn't wind up working it. They said if you can't work in the evenings, you might as well go ahead and leave. I did. They blackballed me. Don't really know why I couldn't get back home. They're like, well, you shouldn't have left. I'm like, well, they said to. If you tell me to leave, I can find the door really quick. I can figure out how to find the door with my shoes tied. That one's a joke all on its own. Anyway, Arise and LiveOps are wonderful companies. They do each have, of course, their own ups and downs. And like I say, always do your research on any of these companies. You want to make sure that your computer requirements are up to par with what they need. You know, you don't want to go through your whole interview even without doing a speed test. They will have a link to their speed test and their description. They will have a whole page usually dedicated to computer requirements. Sorry, I couldn't think of what I wanted to actually verbalize at that point. I can tell it's been a hot minute doing a video because I'm actually a little nervous on this one. Imagine that. But I will go into more details about why I have been away. Like I said, I can't share any of that right now. We'll share later on. And so Allstate, sorry, I didn't mean to go back to Allstate, but with that one, it is claims level 1 support. I know some of these I didn't go into too much information, but I will when I do the actual blog post. If I went into everything I know about all the work from home companies, you guys, we would be here for days, and I'm not lying. I have been working at home for over 20 years, so I wanted to go ahead and share my knowledge with the world, so to speak. Well, I guess actually literally as well. So you guys, since I am rambling and I can ramble for a hot minute, I'm going to go ahead and sign off today. And stay tuned. I will do a 2021 video comparing Arise, LiveOps, and Working Solutions. That might be the next one. I'm trying to get back into my schedule of 2 to 3 videos a week. And that's hard to do these days. So I will be working on that goal as well. I do still owe you guys a drawing. I haven't forgotten about that. And my office, which down the road, hello, down the hallway, down the hallway. I do still have the planners on my shelf there. Hubby is snoring in the bedroom attached, so y'all don't want to hear the snoring there. For those of you that do actually watch my whole video, I leave keywords at the end of the video for the drawings that I will be holding in the future. And for those that do comment with that, Abby as the actual keyword, that's a whole another story too. To let me know that you guys have watched all the way through without any details. Just leave the keyword Abby and comment so you don't spoil it for the rest of you guys. And you guys get entered into my drawing. I figured that's an easy way for me to go back. The reason it was delayed too is I was trying to go back and get the emails from where you guys had shared the videos. And then when I had to redo my site because I moved from HostGator to Bluehost, y'all do not use HostGator. They are horrible. I will go into that more more detail in both blog posts and future upcoming videos as well. But since on that note there, that's why I didn't do the drawing, because I lost all my emails. And the person that I was hoping would respond didn't respond, so that I could enter her into the drawing. But anyway, so leave the keyword Abby in comments below. When I scroll through my videos, I can have an easy way of going through and collecting names that I will enter into my upcoming drawings. Thank you guys. Since I am rambling like crazy at this point, I will go ahead and sign off. Thank you guys for being here. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like if you like. If you don't like it, let me know why. I'll improve. Maybe. We'll see. See you guys. Take care. Bye.